Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with the final update to the Hot Wheels Silhouette. And we're going to be starting off, picking up where I left off last week with the chassis. Got the exhaust headers in. And these are not how they are supposed to look or be installed as per the instructions, but I really just wanted to get them in there so that if you look down the sides of the engine you could see something was there, and I didn't want them to interfere with the final assembly, so I installed them like that. And then around back here, I redid part of the rear axle because I didn't like, when I was looking at it, how close to the fender the rear tires were. So I wanted to move them down, and I also wanted to move them out a little bit from the body because the track between front and rear looked a little off. So just added some spacers, added some real springs up in there, and that looks a little bit better. And I also got the body all prepped, and now the paint is the same Tamiya clear red over titanium silver that I was talking about in the previous video, and for the most part it worked out okay, but I also got a couple of little swirly marks like that right there, which will not polish out, so it was not a flawless thing. I got another one back here, and I do have to give it a final polishing, but I'm going to do that once it's all together. I also got myself into a bit of a bind because if you look, the interior is wider than the body, and this body shell does not have enough flex to get it in. So I was going to have a video showing how I was putting this together, but I ended up not knowing how to put it together. So I basically just fiddled with it for a really long time until it finally just popped together, and then I was kind of done. But then I had to trim off all the flange around the glass because that's supposed to go in from the bottom, and ended up just putting that in from the top. So yeah, the body assembly did not go the way that I was hoping it would. But it is all set, not too bad, so time to get these two together. So I just line it up here, and I'm going to take my little ruler and just kind of pop this over the frame, just like that. And like that. And that's it. There we go. My Hot Wheels Silhouette tribute build is now finished. And overall, I think I am happy with how it turned out. A couple things that I am considering learning experiences, such as how I did the body and how I did the paint. So when I get on to the next one, that's going to be done a little bit different. Other than that, can't really complain about it. I really do like how the tires came out. Those are exactly how I was hoping they would. And you can kind of see how the new ride height in the back looks better. If it was lower and the wheels closer together, that wouldn't be as good as it should have been. Yeah, that's it for this project. I'm going to be starting something brand new next week. It's something that I've been looking forward to for a really long time, and wasn't anything that was ever available in any kind of 24th scale before now. So I think some of you out there are going to like seeing what I picked up as well. So check back then, and thanks for watching.